Today on Truck Chat, we're taking a closer look at the latest from Mack Trucks, the all-new Granite and the Mack MD, both bringing serious upgrades in performance, comfort, and advanced safety technology.
Good morning, I'm Alex Lee, Senior Product Manager for Vocational and Medium Duty with Mack Trucks. Let me show you around the brand new 2028 Mack Granite. So we just launched this product last week in Vegas. This is the all new 2028 Mack Granite. A couple of features, a couple of highlights on this truck. First of all, it's a beautiful design, beautiful all new design with a new cab. It is a shorter BBC, bumper to back of cab. It's about 113.5 BBC, although that cab, the new cab, is 10% larger. And then it's also 9 inches wider at the B pillar. So where the driver and the customer, the operators sit, they will really notice that extra space. This also will come with the brand new EPA 27 certified MP13 with up to 540 horsepower and 1950 pound-feet of torque. Behind that, we've got the Mack M-Drive transmissions, the automated manual transmissions, and then also available are Allison transmissions as well. That is kind of our core, powerhouse combination paired with our Mack axles and Mack suspensions. That's basically what Mack is really known for to get you in and out of the job site. One feature I want to talk about on the all-new Mack Granite is the Mack Protect Safety Suite system. So we have the front radar and the camera system in the windshield, and then also the radar on the passenger side, which everyone is very used to. But for the first time ever in a vocational truck and vocational applications, we also have the left-hand radar on the side of the steps. So now, for the very first time in a vocational application, you have 270 degrees of radar coverage watching you not only from the front, the passenger right-hand side, but also the left-hand side as well. Let me show you the inside of the new Mack Granite. So first of all, this cab is 10% larger, and then it's also 9 inches wider at the shoulders at the B panel. You know, we've kept our flat bottom steering wheel for a lot of space here, our 3-way adjustable steering column. New to this Granite is also a digital dash and infotainment display. And then of course, this beautiful leather premium seating. These seats, believe it or not, have ventilation, heating, and massage functions. So you can be a very comfortable driver and operator in this new Mack Granite. We're standing here in front of the Mack Medium Duty, the MD. Here we're launching Mack Protect for MD, which is our proprietary ADAS system, our Mack Protect Safety Suite system for the medium duty product. 3 things I want to focus on is we have our front radar in the bumper here. We have our camera system, which is watching the lanes and helping to watch for vehicles and pedestrians in the windshield. And then the second radar that we have from Mack Protect is here on the front of the steps, which will give you that blind side coverage on the passenger side. It's also nicely tucked away in the front of the steps for easy access into the cab. So it's not going to be in your way on the steps. You can find more information on the Mack MD and Mack Protect at macktrucks.com.